question is the general solution of d square y by dx square minus 6 dy by dx plus 9y is equal to 0 is. We have to calculate the general solution of this differential equation, and let me write this differential equation here. Let me write the differential equation here, that is d square y by dx square minus 6 dy by dx plus 9y is equal to 0. Let me put d by dx is equal to d, capital D. So here is d square y minus 6 d y plus 9y is equal to 0, and we can write this as 6d plus 9 is equal y is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. If I write the auxiliary equation, m square minus 6m plus 9 is equal to 0. If you find the root of this equation, it is m minus 3, m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 3 and 3. So their roots are real and repeated roots. So the general solution for real and repeated roots are y is equal to e to the power x c1 plus c2x. Okay, so yeah, this is e to the power 3x c1 plus c2x. So this is the answer, option B.